Hi, welcome to this week's Recipe of the Week with the pH Miracle Fun Food Show. I have such a treat today. We're going to be having the brothers, my oldest and my youngest, Adam Redford Young and Alex Redford Young, doing a dessert. Now, I know most of you don't see a lot of desserts in the Alkalarian program, but this is a great transitional dessert. We are using a form of sugar today. It's a coconut blossom sap sugar, which has a low glycemic index and mineral-rich content. So it's a healthy version of a coconut cream pie by Alex Redford Young, who is one of our great chefs here at the pH Miracle Center.
Shelley, can I be Paul Redford Young today, just for the day?
Yes, you can. That's my 3 sons.
Wow, very good. Where's Fred
Right.
McMurray when you need him?
That's right.
Here's your ingredients, Alex.
Okay, Alex, take it away.
Alright, so we're going to do the crust first today. We're going to need a Cuisinart. That helps a lot. Food processor. We start with Brazil nuts and pecans. So you want to open that up, Adam, for me? That'd be
Bossing you
great.
around already, Adam.
Yeah.
He's making up for all the times that I was doing it to him.
Have you ever made pie before, Adam?
Have I ever made pie? No,
Stalling.
I've eaten it several times.
All right, so you're putting the Brazil...
Put the Brazil nuts, you
Yes.
put the pecans. However many pies you're making, it depends on how many you need to put in there. So
How many are we making? One pie?
we'll make one pie today. How's
Okay,
that?
why
Yeah,
not?
One pie's good, right?
Yes.
Sounds like
Alright.
enough.
Adam, have you
first-
seen a Cuisinart before?
I've seen one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got coconut flakes, that always helps. Nice texture, bring some other different color in here. Add as much as you'd like. That's how I cook. I don't measure anything.
So it's approximately half a bag.
There you go. So you
Okay.
want to put that lid up on there, and then you can
Got
put
it.
this on.
You're doing a great job, Adam. Wow.
Yeah.
You've worked together a lot. Boy, that's fast.
So that's really fast. That's all you really need.
So Cuisinart is a valuable tool in the kitchen.
Absolutely, yeah. Very essential for making crusts. So you get this nice, like,
If you didn't have
nutty,
the Cuisinart,
flaky-
how long would that take to blend?
years.
Years! Oh my
Years.
God, we've saved years.
Yeah, so it's this nice, fluffy, nutty coconut flakiness.
That's all for the crust.
Yeah,
Okay.
I add a little bit of salt, just for kicks and giggles. Why
This
not?
pan
Got a
amazingly
pie pan
appeared.
here.
It's magic.
We have dates. Dates, I like to add some sweetness in there. You want to add some dates, Adam?
So
Sure.
health-wise, dates, are they a good sugar? I mean, because they're sugarous fruit.
How many dates do you want, Alex? That was like a
Um,
small handful
You
right
could
there.
just you could put a bunch in there. Why not?
Alright.
How many dates have you been on, Adam? Oh, I'm sorry.
Not
I guess-
not enough.
Not enough.
Obviously.
There you go.
And then we'll blend
Alright.
that. So you first want to add. You want to add the dates second.
Why is that?
That's a good question.
It's the way it is. Adam, why would you say you put the dates in
How does
second?
this work?
I'm just hoping this. Well, I'm
You're just
hoping
hoping.
this segment will get me a date.
Oh! Adam Young. There you go. That's a good incentive, Adam.
Well, as you can see, I don't have much of a reason to be here other than to show my face. So hopefully,
It'll
hopefully
work
someone
out.
out there will
I
notice
think
me.
so. I think so. This is a segment with incentive. What kind of girl do you like? Do you like a girl who's alkalarian?
Yeah, definitely. Not too nuts though.
Oh, you're in there.
Yeah, save the nuts for the Cuisinart.
Nice. All right, coconut time. Why did you add a little more?
Just because I felt like it.
Aha.
Why not?
Why not? Okay.
Add some coconut butter. I get the little bit of the oil part. There's a little layer of oil that you can add. You can just get coconut oil. You add that while it's going.
Why do we all love coconut so much? It's just so,
Well, why don't you tell us?
I don't know, it's
Why
like,
do you like it?
it's scrumptious, it's delish.
Yeah?
It's good healthy fat.
Yeah,
It's a good healthy fat.
Good healthy
So,
fat, sustaining. Gets you through the day.
And it's delicious.
I want to ask you guys, because you grew up with
little
Robin
bit of
and Shelley
lime.
Young, your parents,
Yeah.
was it overwhelming or delightful to have this education in your house by the two leaders of alkalarian living and food?
Well, contrary to what most people believe, it's not a dictatorship. They're actually really good parents, and they let us make our own choices. So They just kind of taught by example, showing us what they thought was best for us to do, diet-wise, and we've kind of followed suit because, you know, truth, it rings true, and you feel it, and you want to do it, and you feel better when you abide by it.
Beautiful. What's that in there,
This is
Alex?
This is the coconut palm nectar.
Wow.
Very sweet.
I
You
can
don't
tell
need
that you like that.
Yeah, you don't need to add a lot. You can smell it, right?
Yeah, what about having Adam put a little in there?
Yeah, you want a spoon?
Yeah.
How about a spoon?
Spoon
Use
coming
my
up.
fingers.
There you go.
There we go.
Okay, Alex is going by feelings, so I'm just feeling like that's enough.
That's good.
More? No?
What's your feeling? What's your reading?
Go ahead, put some more.
That entire crust is being made within about 3 minutes. That's incredible.
It'll start mixing up.
These are amazing. I'm going to get one of these Cuisinarts. Do you have a Cuisinart, Adam?
I don't have my own, but I come and use the one here at my parents' place.
That's what they say. If you don't have your own Cuisinart,
Yeah.
use your
Alrighty,
parents.
so that's the crust right there.
Yes. You're getting excited,
Smells
Alex. I can
good.
tell that you're visioning this pie.
Yeah, I like sweets. Who
Mhm.
doesn't?
We all like sweets. You all deserve a little sweet once in a while.
Yeah. So it
Okay.
should be
You
kind
can
of.
just use your hands, I guess.
Yeah, you just use your hand. You put it down there. You want to do this part?
No, you got
You
it.
gonna shape it?
I'm here to learn, just like our viewers are. So
Yeah,
I'm.
all right.
I'd like
I'm
to grab a
watching.
little. I'd like to feel what that feels like.
Yeah,
It's-
absolutely.
It's off, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Use some good adjectives, Paul, and tell us how it feels.
Miraculous.
Miraculous.
It's pH miraculous.
pH miraculous.
Yeah.
Use different tools. You can use your fist, your fingers. You kind of just shape your pie crust.
You don't want to use your feet. You don't want to step on it. You could. You could. That looks great. How do you know you have enough for a crust? You gonna use all of it?
Yeah, if you need to mix up a little bit more crust, go right ahead. I've been doing it so much that I kind of just have that in my head how much to add, how much. I don't know. That's how I cook. I don't measure anything. I just throw it in there.
Intuitively, which is great.
Yeah.
You took a dessert to a restaurant in San Diego, and they had it when they were finished on a Saturday night. The two
Oh,
owners,
that's right. Yeah.
and they loved it.
Yeah, they enjoyed it. I was happy to see that. You know, I enjoyed their restaurant. It's really nice stuff. So
And it's called
trying to give back. Spread.
Spread.
They're up in San Diego on University Avenue.
Good. So now you put the Brazil nuts, the hazelnuts.
Pecans, Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are nice and soft.
Any
make a
particular good places to get some of these ingredients?
I wouldn't know.
All right.
Well, just usually your local health food store. A lot of them sell the nuts in bulk. You just want to make sure they're fresh, and
How can you
And
tell
raw.
if they're fresh? You ever shop for your nuts?
I don't know. Don't tell anyone, but I usually try one.
Oh,
Yeah.
when there's big signs that say, please
Yeah.
do not eat any of the...
I
All right, I have to confess, on a rare occasion I do as well.
yeah.
Okay, I'm getting a call from the store about you.
Yeah, they
That's
found
what's
me. They
happening.
caught
They
me.
found you.
The nut thief.
You do this very well, like it's second nature to you.
Yeah, you kind of just go in a roundabout and use your thumb to on the top.
Oh,
to
the
press
little
down.
crevices there, yes.
Well,
Nicely
Alex is a
done.
licensed massage therapist, so
That's it right
he's
there.
good with his hands.
Yeah.
Nice.
As you
There's
can
the
see.
crust.
I get a feeling that you two brothers should be
Show this
making
to the viewers. Look at that.
Oh, you-
sensational.
He massaged a perfect nut coconut crust.
Wow! You two brothers are the new generation of pies.
Well, my secret is I just let him do all the work
And
because I'm the oldest.
you're supporting him. I feel the support.
Yeah. Supervising is one of the genes I inherited, and I like to
Excellent.
employ
Well,
it.
thank you, Adam.
Yeah. Thank you,
Redford
Paul.
Young. Thank you, Alex Redford
Yeah.
Young. And this is Paul Redford Young saying, see you next time.